Hey everyone, it's Richie Jaganuri. Look, I've had the privilege to get trained on this course, really RTE, Release Train Engineer 6 by Agility Academy. Look at the Warren and specifically for day 1 and 2 for the course, and yeah, I found them very exceptional to be very honest with you. Really enjoyed my time. I learned a lot. I found their communication style really helpful. I could connect with Warren quite a lot. Learned a lot about RTE, which basically expanded my current Scrum Master knowledge as well, and experience. And I'm really looking to pivot my current skill experience as Scrum Master into RTE in the future, using some great learnings from Warren. So thank you, Agility Academy, for a great sort of fun experience. Definitely coming back for more. Thank you.